885, 15s, 4 salt 6Ks, a few hundred hours of C-Max, mids and highs, all Sundown, everything's Sundown.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name and what else in here real quick?
What's up, brother? My name is Mathew. I'm with Elite Euro.
Okay.
I got I'll start under the hood. I got 3 CS 320s, fat box, externally regulated, 885, 15s, 4 salt 6Ks, a few hundred hours of C-Max, mids and highs, all Sundown, everything's Sundown, man.
Okay.
Down to the wire.
12-volt system?
It's external regulated, so I charge whatever, really.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Have you metered it again yet?
Yeah, I want to leave that for a surprise at the end of the
show. Okay. All right, yeah. Wow. What is your tuning on it now? Where are you peaking at?
It's a 2-to-1. I'm peaking right at 29.
Okay.
It's pretty violent at 29.
Wow, that's a low peak too. You good?
Let's go ahead and give it to you.
Oh yeah, making patties drip and paddles rip.
systems where it chokes me on the lows. That's impressive, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, brother.
Wow, are you happy? I'm sure you
Oh,
get.
yeah. It turned out great, dude.
Wow, and your windshield hardly moves.
No, we went back in, steel caged it out,
Yep.
wooded it out, did
Wow.
the foam cement post for fence and all that, and it's gravy, dude. It's been holding up good. So
Yeah.
hell yeah,
Awesome. I
man.
appreciate the demo. What
Yeah,
was your
bro.
name?
Mathew, man.
Matthew. Thank you, Matthew.
Yes, sir, bro. Thank you, man.
Wow, that was windy. It broke. Bass broke the door. Bass breaks everything, especially when you're that loud. Thank you, man.
Mark it back up again.
Yeah.
I done put you off twice. I was like, fuck.
That's all I appreciate it, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.